Oh, hello guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I bought the vacuum cleaner today, and this time I didn't get it from Argos because remember the last unboxing of the Dyson, I had to go to Argos because unfortunately they didn't sell it at Curry's, but now look what I've got today. It's a Henry Pets. Because if you have pets, well, you could go to Curry's and you can get this for 100%. Because I have a Dyson Hoover. So I've got a DCO7 allergy and the DCO7i, DCO3 Absolute, and a DC33 and a Dyson Mobile G UP22. Okay? Now I'm gonna check out the box. Oh, yes. It's heavy. So we're gonna take a look at these things that I need. So we've got these things that is really good, and you can also vacuum one of my houses, because if you have pets you can get them as a pets model, but unfortunately I don't have a dog right now, so because I'm sorry I don't have a dog, but I don't have any pets right now, but I hope to get a dog soon, so this is the Henry Pets, built to last long. Everybody loves Henry's. Made in UK. Powerful cleaning. Great features. Perfect for pet owners. And we've made 12 over million Henrys, and good for stealing in use. Okay. And this has got extra attachments on it. And this has got a sticker, label. So this has got Henry's face. So then we've got built to last. Everybody loves Henry's, made in UK. And that's what this is, the same thing. So it's got pet homes, made in UK. And God dang it. Yeah, I've got a cough, unfortunately. And do you want to see that? Made in United Kingdom of Wales. So thank you so much. Okay. So I've got this bags to put in. So I'm gonna open this bag. Okay. Because for this, you get these bags that I suggest you could put in, and these other beautiful bags. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Gonna have to open it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we've got these bags. So Okay, let's get it open and put this together, and then we'll see what it's like for the first time. Okay. Okay. You don't have to have scissors. Okay. Crack it open. This is open. Get it open. I hope I haven't cut myself. So you need the trusty scissors. Okay. Right. Gotta get this open. Okay. There you go. Oh, Jesus. Yes. Here we have instructions. Yeah. Because, so you can put these together, right? Here we have these turbo brush. Okay. Right, so we've got a nice turbo brush. And this is a pet's brush. Okay. So, you can use it for any time. Alright. And it comes with a nice plastic bag because it's the latest one. Okay. Right. And then we've got a nice flat out tool. Okay, I'm going to open it just magically. Okay. That's a floor tool. Alright. Okay. Next, we have some tools. Okay. I'm going to open it. I'm going to try and open it. Oh, there you go. So we've got this. And we've got a nice tube. And a stair tool. And a brush tool. And a crevice tool. And we've got a nice dusting brush. Okay. So, now it's time to take out. Here we have a nice hose. Yeah. Hello? This is me. I know. Okay. Not supposed to say that. But alright. Okay. And then we know. And then we've got some tube. Some paper. Some tubes. And we've got some of this. And then another tube. So we've got, they have 3 tubes. Now it's time to take this out. And then we're going to lift this out. There we go. Now we've got these bags to fit it in. We've got more bags, so there you go. Then we're going to take this plug off. And now, this is the really long cable. So, I'm going to start fitting it all together to make, and then later this afternoon, I'm going to start fitting it all together. So, okay, I'm going to putting it together, and it comes with loads of pieces. Like you see this box, it's completely empty. There's nothing inside the box. Okay. I'm going to give this thing, and then I'm going to go. So it's a nice Henry Hoover that I bought from Curry's today. Because instead of getting it off Argos, you get to get it at Curry's. Yeah, just push it in. And then it gives us nice stiff bristles. Okay. First, what am I going to do is attach it like this. And make sure it's security fastened. Then we're going to put these two on the front. Then you can put that. And then we can put this. And then that should go where it fits. Okay. I know you guys asked me. So, look at that. You've successfully put this together. I've got to do some instructions. Okay. So, how to assemble. You need to install these handles and this. Then you have to put it on the nose. And then so you'll be able to put this together and where to assemble. Because this is really heavy, but it's okay for the cars. But I don't feel like Henry's as much. But it's okay for the cars. Okay? So, we're going to put these tools on the sides. Then we're going to put another tool slots into place. Then you can shut this. And then you can pop this nicely. But there is no onboard storage. So, okay. Thank you so much, because I'm grateful at everything I've got. Now I'm going to tidy all this rubbish. Okay, and I'm going to put all these things. Then I'm going to start this. Okay. Then I'm going to how to use it. So I'm going to show you how you use this. Okay. I bought this is because it was a good price. It's 20% off. So we're going to have to check this out. Okay. There you go. Alright. Then you could lift it. Right. Look at this. It's got nice filters on the top. Oh, yes. And it's got the bags and everything is nice and clean. Oh, so nothing empty. So now I'm going to pop this. Everything. Now I'm going to pop this back and put everything back in the box. And then I'm going to tidy it up. Then we're going to see what it sucks. Okay. Just shut it. Make sure. Oh, there you go. Oh my God. Look. Watch this. Watch this. Then you have to shut it. And then it's back together. probably. So I think I'm gonna put this back. I'm not really, so okay. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna take these tools out. Then I'm going. Okay. How do you put it in? Okay. Here you go. Just make sure it's security fastened. Then you're going to pop this back where it belongs, and then you're going to shut it. Okay. Then it's shut. Oh God. Let's see if it. So we're gonna check this out real quick. But it is okay. But it's not dirty just yet. So what am I gonna do is snap it in, pop this filter back. Oh, the wrong way around. That's it. Okay. Make sure it's magic. Oh, and don't forget, because if it's a Hoover, right, then, oh, still, gotta shut it. There you go, and smack it. Right, now it's time to put these tools. And now I'm gonna put everything back in this box. Then I'm gonna do a short first test. I'm gonna check if the Henry works. So then I'm gonna pop this back in it. Then I'm gonna tidy the mess that's been unboxed. Alright. Then you need some plastic, and you need some packaging materials to put back in. Then you're going to shut this box. Just get rid of the box. Here you go. There. I've just tidied it up. Now I'm going to check this out to see how it works. Yeah. If it's properly. So this cable is really long. And this is a long cable. So I'll be able to, you can plug it in. So we find a plug socket. And to make sure it's not turned off, there you go. Look at the red bits. There you go. Now, let's see if the Henry picks it up. Oh my God. Hello. Yeah. We've got to make sure it's put together properly. It's working. And now it's time for magic things. Okay. Now it's time to use this. Looking pretty good. Looks so good. Wow. It's sucked up. So, now it's time to put this tube back. But, if you want to listen to this, you just have to remove the tool and to make sure. So I'm going to use the pet tool. Right? Let's see how it sucks. Alright. So I'm going to bring you guys the vacuum. So I'm going to switch it off by unplugging it. But thankfully, it was good. It was awesome. Better than the original Henry. But it's okay. But it's still, because I paid over 130. Now you have to do this, and then you can remove. Okay, I'm gonna get you the vacuums, guys. Must be hungry. So, this is my Dyson. So this is the Dyson. Because I'm going to check all of these out. I bought these to show you. Yeah, it's been and secured clip. Now I'm going to get you more Hoovers. More. Wow. Look at that. All my Hoovers. So, remember, so I've got this Dyson DC33 and a Dyson Mobile Energy, which I bought off Argos, brand new. And this is my DC07. I got it refurbished, the red one. And the same goes to the blue one, which is being refurbished. And then this is the yellow and purple one. So, now I'm going to check how the Henry Dirts are doing. But first, I've got to unclip it. God, how? I'm not strong enough. Okay, just check this out. Wow. Let's check. Yeah, still got a little bit of dust. See this? And now I'm going to put this back together. Because if you want to buy a Hoover, go to Curry's website and choose whichever vacuum you want. And if you want, so that's all me Hoovers. Because if you want, yeah, but it's a Henry vacuum cleaner. So I'll promise to put somewhere safe. Then we can have. So, gotta push. Right. Still got me Dysons, but it's really best. It's better. Okay, brush. Why? So it's okay because it's not the best to make sure it's respectable. Okay, and then we're gonna shut it. Then you're gonna wind it up. Wow! You successfully got this. So I've got a DC. So this is the animal one I got just given. But this time I got from the shop. And this is Curry's. So you don't have to have a second hand. So that's a new one. Because it's already been put together. Now, not yet. So I've bought myself a nice drink of cola. Right? So this is me cola that I bought from M&S today. So, because if you like to get this, you can get this for 20% off. It's easy. You just go to Curry's, www. You can get to win a vacuum. Okay? And it costs a lot of money. So that's why I spent it. Ha 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 ha. But I've saved it for Manchester. So, in December, I'm going to go to Manchester on the 23rd. And I'm going to go and get a train. But first, I'll be going to. But I have bought some pair of joggers. But we'll see. Okay? Really good. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and turn on the bell notifications Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!